Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to use the Instagram story voice changer feature, and before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from our channel. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So Instagram has this new feature like Snapchat that allows you to change your voice into all different sorts. And to do that, what you have to do is just open up Instagram app, and then you'll swipe left to open up stories. And what you'll do is just swipe here until the end to reach the browse effects option. And you click on browse effects, and here you will search for voice effect. And now there might be many voice effects, but you want the one that Instagram has uploaded. So this is the one Instagram has uploaded. And you can just download, save this to your phone for easy access, and you'll go back. And now you can see that the effect is right here. And what you'll do is record. So there are different, there's helium, giant, vocalist, announcer. I think it's these many effects right now. And you just record a video, and all the sound that you record while recording the video will have this effect added to it automatically. So let me just say some things. Hey everyone, how are you doing?
Hey everyone, how are you doing?
And with that being said, you can just like add that video to your story, and you can also try all different effects and pick the one you want. And this is how you use the Instagram story voice changer. I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.